Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's Actors. In this video, I'll show you how to write blog in WordPress. So this is actually pretty easy. You just need to follow the steps here and consider a few things here before we start making our blog. So first thing we should consider in creating our blog here is the theme that we are currently using. So if we make our themes, make sure that you actually make it in a way that your team is using a blog type of theme. So let's go to appearance here and do the themes, and we want to go to blog here, and here you want to choose the appropriate one that you could use for your site. So we're just gonna choose something that we could use an example. So maybe we could use maybe this one. Click on activate design, stand and activate. Now here, let's go back into our dashboard. So now if you want to view your website directly, like what you see right now on my screen, is you want to go to my home, and under my home you want to go to the visit site button here. So it's going to load up your website if you want to have a live preview for it. So now the next thing you want to do is you want to start adding your post. So go to post here, and here you see the hello world, which is the default post for your WordPress account, but you could basically just delete this if you want to. Just click on three dot icon here and click on trash if you want to delete that. But yeah, let's go ahead and add a new post. Now, as you can see, this is going to be a very simple one. It's actually pretty boring to look at right now because it's pretty basic at the moment, but I'll be showing you how you could actually add or how to customize this one. So for example, let's add a title. So how to title, and here we want to add our blocks. So I have this text here. This is an example of the text. So we want to add a section here. Just add it here and paste it this one. Now this is the first section. So if you click on the bottom of this section here, it's gonna pop up a plus or add block button here. So if you want to add another line of text, is you could just basically just copy this one, and from here you could just basically start typing if you want to, or you could just start pasting your content. Let's just paste this one. So now how do we actually customize this one? Like for example, you want to make it a lot bigger or even make it a heading or whatnot. You could basically just highlight this one, and from here you could just click on the paragraph setting here and choose heading, and yeah, it's going to change it into a heading if you want to. You also have the change level here if you want H3, H6 if you want to. H1's the largest, but we're just going to change to H3. And yeah, so we also have the align here. So if you want this one or even this one or this one, none. So yeah, so another few things that you could do here for fun is you could actually just add another block here. So if you want to add paragraph or a heading, just like what we did, you could choose these two here, or you could just basically start typing if you want to. But if you want to delete this one or basically add this one here again, maybe you could just choose a column group or image. So for example, we want to add an image here. So what we want to do, click on image and click on upload image, and you could choose the images that you have right now on your PC. So let's just choose this one, click on open, and it's going to add that image here. So let's just wait for this to load up and upload properly, and you see we've added this section or image here. Now how do we add multiple images or multiple sections, like for example 3 columns on this part? So you just need to click on the plus button again, and you want to click on columns. Now here you should choose how many columns you want to add. So for example, we want to add 3 columns. Now in here, like what we did here, we are going to now add our sections. So if for example you want to add a text here, you could choose paragraph and just paste your text. So for example, I'm just going to copy this first part here and going to paste it here on the section here. And the next thing I want to do is I want to add my image. So let's just click on image, and I want to actually upload it. So I want to add this PNG image I have right now. Just click on open, and here I want to, for example, I want to add another thing that is not here. So let's just click on browse all, and you'll be able to see the other things that you could add here, which is quite fun if you want, if you imagine. So here we also have this section that says audio, cover, file. Even we also have the stock. If you want spacer, you could also add that. You also have the custom HTML if you want to, and navigation, site logo, and whatnot. And yeah, if you also have the embedded here, we have Twitter, YouTube. So if you want to add YouTube, go ahead. For example, we want to add YouTube here, and we want to embed our YouTube video here. So for example, we want to add this video here. Let's go embed, and that's going to add that video there. So yeah, so if you want to delete this one, you can just basically just click on, make sure you hover it, click on it first, click on it, and just click on delete. And here, so yeah, so if you want to edit this one, so if you want to combine here, so yeah, so if you want to add other parts here, so for example, we want to add another image, you could go ahead and do that. But so yeah, so as long as you know how to block things here, it's the possibilities are unlimited. So let's just try adding a new one here. Click on browse all. So if you want to add a verse, you could go ahead and do that. We have the markdown, writing prompt if you want to, and here. So they also have the section that says forms and earn here, but these are actually premium services. So if you want to use this one, you'll need to have the premium for WordPress. But no worries, there's actually a lot of free subs here that you could use, so it's not actually necessary. But if these sections are necessary for you, then I would suggest for you to actually use the premium or buy the premium for WordPress. So yeah, so basically the possibilities of you editing or creating your blog here, you just need to be creative about it, is actually unlimited. You have the tools here. Just basically just click on the plus button and you'll be able to use a lot of things here. Maybe you could actually visit different vlogs and copy on how they styled the website, but don't copy it entirely. Just get inspiration from it. And yeah, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.